Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, FinTech with Team Bees. I hope you're making cool cash over there. If this is your first time visiting this channel, I would appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell so that YouTube can alert you once new video drops. Warm welcome to our returning subscribers and viewers. I hope you have a great time watching today's video. Stay tuned. Alright, welcome guys. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to send crypto coins from centralized exchanges like Binance, Bybit, Mexi, KuCoin, etc. So to decentralized crypto wallets such as the TrustWallet, the MetaMask, the SafePal, Token Pocket, and so on and so forth. So that is what we are going to be going through in this video. So right now, you are going to open your Binance. This your Binance. So we're working with Binance and also we are working with Trust Wallet. So those are the two. So I picked one of each. So Binance is a centralized exchange platform. Trust Wallet is also one of the decentralized crypto wallets. So that has already solved it. So once you get for Binance, it's the same thing, the same procedure for other centralized exchanges. Once you get for Trust Wallet, it's the same procedure for other decentralized crypto wallets. Hope you get it right now. So it's just about you understanding the basics. Yes, it's just about you understanding the basics. So all right, let's quickly dive in. So open your Trust Wallet. So right now I'm in my Trust Wallet. So I want to send in USDT. I want to receive USDT. I want to receive USDT into my wallet. So right now, what are you going to do? You click on the search button and then you type in USDT. USDT. So right now, you can see that you have different USDT on different blockchain. So here you have USDC on the Ethereum blockchain, USDT on the Ethereum blockchain, you have BUSD Ethereum blockchain. So right now you scroll down to see the one that you want to use, to see the one that you want to copy. Right now you can see here we have USDT Binance Smart Chain, because I'm sending the USDT from Binance and that is the network that I want to use. That is why you have to be very careful when you are picking your wallet address so that you won't lose your assets. So you can see we have different blockchain. So we have the USDT on the Arbitrum. So just in case next time you want to search for USDT, you'll be very much vigilant to know the one exact that you are going to select. So and for me and the purpose of this video, I will be selecting the USDT on the Binance Smart Chain. That is what I want to use in this video. So what are you going to do right now? Click on it. So we want to copy the wallet address. You want to copy the wallet address. So as you can see here, try and always confirm that you've clicked the correct. So you see USDT BEP20 BNB Smart Chain. Correct. So right now click on receive, because you want to receive USDT from a centralized exchange. I can decide to use any crypto coin. I can decide to use Solana, I can decide to use LTC, Litecoin, I can decide to use Ripple, I can decide to use BNB. But for the sake of this tutorial, am making use of USDT. So right now you are going to click on receive. So as I've always said, ensure you check this. Is it what you want? Theta USD BEP20 network assets to this address. Other assets will be lost forever. Always confirm USDT BEP20. So what are you going to do right now? You click on copy. You click on the copy that you have here. Click on copy. So then you now go to your Binance. Go to your Binance. So now I'm already on my Binance, and currently this is what I have on my Binance wallet. I have 45 USDT, which I've used for some coins. So right now you are going to scroll to where you have your USDT asset, and right now this is my USDT asset, and I have almost $8, 7.999 USDT. So click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to see at the bottom part, you are going to see withdrawal. So you click on withdrawal, not deposit. You get it. Click on withdrawal for the case of the purpose of this video. Click on withdrawal. So right now click on send via crypto network, because that is what you want to use. You are not sending via email or phone number. So click on send via crypto network. So right now you have already copied the wallet address, don't forget. So what you are going to do, you are going to long press here and then you paste. I hope you're following. You long press and then you paste. So now on this network space, this is where you're going to select which network is this wallet address from. If you don't do that, it won't go through for you. And if you select a wrong blockchain, you are going to lose your coin. You are going to lose your USDT, or you lose your asset, whichever coin you are sending. So right now click on it. So here you can see different network. We have the BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, OPBNB, Avaxis Chain, Optimism. So but for the purpose of this video, the USDT that I copied was from the Binance, was from here, BNB Smart Chain BEP20. That was the USDT wallet address that I copied. So click on it. So as you can see here, BNB Smart Chain BEP20. You can also always confirm from the Trust Wallet. As you can see here in your Trust Wallet, you can see BEP20 USDT. So right now, let's go back to Binance and finalize the transaction. So right now, I want to send USDT from my wallet. So what am I going to do? I want to send just 5 USDT. So click put in 5. So if you type in 5, there is a network fee that you will be charged. So the network fee will be charged from the transaction. So it's either if you want exactly $5 in the wallet address that you want to send to, you have to ensure that you had the fee to hit so that you get the exact $5 that you want in that coin. So let's put 5.2. So 5.2. So the wallet will be receiving 5.01. The wallet will be receiving 5.01, as you can see here, 5.01. So you are going to click on withdraw. Click on withdraw. So Now we are left to confirm the transaction. So once again, ensure that this information is correct. Ensure that the address is correct and on the same network. Transactions cannot be cancelled. Transactions cannot be cancelled, as you can see. So always make sure it's correct. So right now you click on confirm. Click on confirm. Confirm. Click on confirm. And then you can authorize the transaction. So I want to authorize the transaction. So I've authorized the transaction and currently the transaction is processing. So you can click on view history if you want to view the history, but it doesn't matter. Your transaction has already gone through already. So click on view history. So as you can see here, it's still processing. The transaction is still processing. It cannot be cancelled again, but it's still processing, waiting for confirmation on the Binance blockchain, on the BNB smart chain, waiting for confirmation. So right now, let's just wait for a few seconds. So processing 7/15. So very soon it will be done. So you can just keep watching what you have here. As you can see, 7/15. So if you refresh again, it should have been completed. You have 13/15 again. So right now it should be complete. So we have more than what we need already. So the transaction is already successful. So you can go to the Trust Wallet. You can go to Trust Wallet to check whether you've received the coin. So you can always refresh your wallet. As you can see, we have successfully withdraw funds from Binance to Trust Wallet address, from a decentralized exchange to a decentralized crypto wallet, from a centralized exchange to a decentralized crypto wallet. So as you can see, we are successful with the sending, with the transfer, whichever we want to call it, send crypto coins, withdraw crypto coins, depending on the scenario. And I hope this video has really explained how you can as well carry out this transaction by yourself. If it looks confusing, kindly watch the video over and over again so you are able to grasp the basics. And if you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section below. And if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and put on the notification bell. Don't forget to also like this video. Until next time, bye.